Good afternoon. It's Saturday about 1:20 p.m. 22nd of November. It's overcast, 22 degrees. And let's start with the pale yellow hive. Finish the sugar water. They look happy. Starting with frame number 1. Bees 8, nectar 5, pollen 4. 1 east, bees 4. That's about it. 2 west, bees 7. And we've got a queen spotted. 2 east, bees 8. And we've got mostly milky brood, I would say 7. Going back to 2 west, we've got eggs. I would say brood 9. 3 west, bees 6, brood in all stages 8, nectar 1. 3 east, bees 8, brood 8, nectar 1. And gentle bees. 4 west, bees 6, nectar 1. And 4 east, bees 5, brood 7, nectar 2. I can see a lot of bees coming in with pollen in their legs. 5 west, bees 4, nectar 1, pollen 4. 5 east, bees 5, nectar 2, pollen 1. Have a look. Six west, bees 3, pollen 1. 6 east, bees 4, nectar 2, pollen 1. 7 west empty, 7 east, bees 2, pollen 1. Lastly, frame 80. Put them back in their original spots. And that's our pale yellow hive. Beautiful. Next is our green Macquarie hive. Look at those bees under the roof. West, bees 9, nectar 3, pollen 4. 1 east, bees 5, pollen 1. 2 west, bees 6, brood 5. 2 east, bees 6, brood 7. There are milky brood at the bottom part of the frame. Three west, B7. We've got the milky brood 7. Three east, B7. We've got mostly milky brood as well, 8. And some nectar. I wouldn't say it's one. Four west, bees 8. Brood in all stages 8. 4 east, bees 7. Brood in all stages 8. Pollen 1. And we've got a queen here. She's laying. Five west, bees 7, brood 8. 5 east, bees 4, brood 7. No nectar there. 6 west, bees 3. That's about it. 6 east, bees 6. Nectar 1, pollen 2. 7 west, bees 1, empty frame, empty cells. And 7 east, bees 2. Empty cells. Frame 8, I would say empty. This colony needs feeding, but I don't have any sugar syrup today. I'll go back for them within the next 3 days. I'll put a queen excluder so that they'll be ready for a super, hopefully next time. That's our green Macquarie hive. Next is our orange hive. So based on our November 13 inspection, the orange hive is the weakest among the 5 colonies. 1 west, bees 1. 1 east, empty. They're not as friendly as the first 2 that we've inspected. 2 west, bees 7. Nectar 3, pollen 5. 2 east, bees 1. Frame 3. 3 west bees 8, brood 8, 3 east bees 6, that's about it. Four west bees 8, brood 8, 4 east bees 7, brood 8, 5 west bees 3, 5 east bees 8, nectar 1, pollen 1, and that's our queen. That's our queen, blue dotted. Six west, empty. 6 east bees 3, nectar 1, 7 west 7 east empty, 8 west 8 east empty, I'll close them up. And that's our orange hive. Next is our olive hive. Of course, empty super. One west, bees 3, nectar 7, 1 east, bees 1. So they're cleaning up the cells. Two west bees 8, brood 2, nectar 2, pollen 2, 2 east bees 2, three west bees 8, brood 9, 3 east bees 6, brood 7, 4 west bees 7, brood 8. We've got a queen, and some drone brood. Let's remove this. 4 east bees 8, brood 8, nectar 1. That's our queen. Five west bees 7, brood, I would say 7, some eggs. And 5 east bees 6, nectar 1, brood 3. Now make it brood 8. A lot of eggs in the middle of the frame. 6 west bees 8, brood, a lot of milky brood there. I would say brood in all stages 7, nectar 2. 6 east bees 7, nectar 2, and brood 4. 7 west bees 1, empty frame. 7 east bees 6, nectar 2, pollen 2. Make it nectar 4, pollen 2. And last frame, here this is empty. This is the remnant of the brood that died from atop the brood box, and 8 is as well. That's all right. Floor is good. I'll put this frame on frame number, position number 8. Okay. Queen excluder. And then the super. They don't need feeding at this stage. And that's our olive hive. And last but not the least is our lime hive. We finished the sugar water. Something happened at the super. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there are some nectar there. Some nectar there. That's good. I would classify it as empty, but definitely there are some nectar there. Let's check the brood box. And I would say lime hive became the most beautiful colony in this apiary today. 1 west bees 8, brood, mostly milky brood 6, nectar 2. 1 east bees 5, I don't know if there are some eggs. Let's say there's none. 2 west, B7, brood 5, 2 east, B7, brood 7, frame 3, 3 west, B6, brood 8, nectar 1, 3 east, B8, brood 9, four west, B7, nectar 1, pollen 2, 4 east, B7, nectar 1, pollen 1, and some eggs as well. I would say for brood, mostly eggs. Where's the queen? Maybe here. 5 west, B8, 5 east, B7, pollen 2, nectar 1, make it nectar 2, six west, B6, 6 east, B7, nectar 5, we're not here. Seven west, B1, 7 east, B5, nectar 5, frame 8, empty. It's actually a drone wax over there. It's fine. Alright, we'll put this here. This is the queen here. This becomes frame 1, becomes frame 8. Queen excluder. Super. You can build up your nectar store, and that is our lime hive.